Hello, my name is Brett Grover, and I am the Senior Training Specialist at DENSO Products and Services Americas, located in Long Beach, California. In this tutorial, I am going to show users how to update their profile, as well as retrieve their training transcript and download it to your computer, followed by accessing awarded completion certificates and how to print replacement certificates. Let's begin. Open up your web browser and navigate to the DENSOAutoCare.com website. Log into your account and click on the Access Courses button. Once you arrive at your information page, the box on the left-hand side of the page is your profile. To access your training transcript, click on the My Transcripts button, and a pop-up will appear displaying all of the courses you have completed. This page also allows users to print their transcript or download the transcript to save it on their computer. Please note that the file that downloads is an MS Excel file. To edit this file, you will need to click the Enable Editing button at the top of the page. To review and print your completion certificates, first click on the My Certificates button. A small certificates window will appear listing all of the certificates you have earned through course completion. Click on the desired certificate. For this example, I am going to click on the DENSO Basics Safety Systems Certificate, and the certificate will appear in a new window where the user will have the option of printing or downloading the certificate to their computer. If you are printing your certificate, please ensure that you have color printing enabled so that it looks good when you display it. Finally, we are going to edit your personal information as well as your profile picture. In the middle of your profile box, click on Edit Profile. A new window named My Profile Management will appear and prompt you to enter your information. This is not required. If you truly want to personalize your profile, you can upload a picture of yourself or any picture. To do this, go into the Edit Profile again and click on the tab labeled Profile Photo. Retrieve the image file that you want to display and click OK. The system will upload your picture into the box. After you are done updating your profile, just log out of the system. This concludes this tutorial walking users through the process of updating their profile, as well as accessing their training transcripts and printing off awarded certificates. Once again, my name is Brett Grover, and continue checking back for more tutorials related to the DENSO Automotive Technical Academy. Thank you and have a great day.